video is something I wish I could have learned when I started my career, because you're going to learn all the things that took me years to learn. To be honest, I have been creating content for the past 3 years and was able to build strong connection with top people. I just don't want to brag about myself, but if you're genuinely serious about growth and making money online, then these 5 hyper-specific rules can help you a lot. The first piece of advice I would like to give is make other people richer and you will become richer by default. See, most people overcomplicate their business. That's why they are not able to succeed. All you have to do is to help a lot of people to make money, and in return they will pay a small percentage of that. The second piece of advice is a bit harsh, but it's worth knowing. People will eventually try to screw you over, so be prepared instead of taking it seriously. So see, people will eventually throw you under the bus if they can see the profit. That's the part of the game. You have to get prepared for that. The third piece of advice is the most underrated one. Don't sell what you like, sell what the market wants. This is the most important advice in almost every single business, whether it can be e-com, dropshipping, SaaS, or even selling AI tools. Try to sell what the world wants the most. As an entrepreneur, you must follow this fourth rule. Protect your reputation. This is the part where most teenagers misses out. If you told someone you will be there, then you must be there. Your word is your reputation, so protect it at any cost. The last piece of advice I would like to give is to expand your circle to get better opportunities. By this I mean you to get out into the world and start networking with top people. If you are a beginner, then you can start doing it digitally. For this, social media is the best platform to do so. For this, you can start posting on multiple platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. LinkedIn is also one of the best platforms to connect with top people. If you want, you can even follow me on my LinkedIn page. We could meet over there. I hope this video helps you at some point. If it does, congrats. Anyways, thank you for watching.